Hey, I look rough. Don't pay attention to what I look like. Wind's blowing. We've been outside all day. I wanted to give y'all an update on the outside garden. It's still a little messy on the floor, just because we've been working in it. But we have the top up, and that's what I want to show you. So the outside has the cover, the shade cloth, coming down because if you remember, there wasn't fencing right here. And this will help to cover up that fencing part. It will be attached to the wood at some point. We just got it up today is all. I cut part of it so that it doesn't cover the gate, but it goes all the way around and all the way to the edges. When you come in, it provides 40% shade in here. It's zip tied to the PVC around here. It's zip tied to the metal here. It goes down that way to help deter birds from getting in. And it will also help to give my garden some shade. I planted the corn and the beans over there. And I have peppers in these two right here. And this bed is still the same. I did plant a calendula in there somewhere, seed. And then this thing right here, I kept saying I thought I had beets in here. If you look down here, that's broccoli. That's broccoli. I don't know if this is also broccoli, but it looks the same as, well, I don't know if they're the same or not. I put my butternut squash back there. My peas and carrots are still doing fine. They're starting to trellis up the little things. I haven't really planted anything in here. I'm going to save that for my tomatoes. My sweet peppers are in here. I have eggplant and zucchini in here. And then I put chamomile seeds back here to fill in this area. I have dragon's egg cucumber over there. This is an eggplant. This is kohlrabi. That's kohlrabi. This is the only one that looks healthy though. I'm sure I threw some seeds in there. I don't remember what. I have another butternut squash over here so I can trellis it up this corner right here. I have an eggplant right there. And I did put something in there, maybe, I don't remember. It was a flower. I have, oops, sorry, my finger. I have crookneck squash right there. These are okra right here. My onion bucket here. I got spinach to still grow in here. I have a punakiri cucumber right here. If I need to trellis it, I can attach something here up to the greenhouse. And then I planted toothache seeds here. It's a flower that if you chew on the flower, your mouth will go numb. So I put those seeds in there. I have Anaheim pepper here. I did sprinkle some other seeds in here. What did I sprinkle? Gamphorina's in here. Calendula in here. Either pansies or morning glories in here. And then another serrano pepper in here. I absolutely love the way this all turned out. Even if I want to come out here in the middle of the day, I can come out here, sit on my little bench, have 40% shade, so it's pretty cool. I like it a lot. Thanks for watching.